Stop hand watering. This simple drip irrigation setup can save water and save time in a small backyard garden. When you water with a hose, the flow is uneven. A lot of water evaporates, runs off, or never reaches the roots, and you end up watering more often than you need. Drip irrigation works differently. It delivers water slowly, right at the root zone, so plants can absorb it properly. Here's the basic idea. Keep the line close to the base of your plants. Use slow, steady dripping, not spraying and not flooding. If the pressure is too high, turn it down until the drip looks even. Always check the soil. You want it moist a couple of inches deep, but not soaked on the surface. If the top is wet but the soil underneath is dry, the water is not getting to the roots. Consistent watering helps everything grow better. Tomatoes, cabbage, herbs, and other garden crops. And healthy soil stays alive when moisture is balanced. This is a simple, low-cost upgrade for any small garden. Set it once, test the drip, and let the system do the work. If you want more practical backyard garden projects and simple DIY systems, subscribe to DIY Rural Life.